Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change home screen layout on any Samsung phone. To do that, just open settings, go to home screen, then tap on home screen layout. From here, you have the option of home screen and app screen, and also you have the option for home screen only. Now, if you select home screen only, tap on apply, you will disable the app drawer on your smartphone. And as you can see, all the apps on your smartphone are on your home screen. And once you select the other option, you will enable the app drawer on your smartphone. And this is how you can change home screen layout on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.